first penny buns mushroom, guys. Okay. Huh? Let's checking again. This time only penny buns mushroom ang ating ipik. Wow! Ay! Meron ng ano. Oops. Okay, yung ano lang, yung paa lang ang pwede nating makuha kasi walang ano, walang uod. Pero itong ano, yes, wala siyang uod. Ito lang ang ating kukunin. Ito may ano na siguro ito. Oh, madami ng uod. Let it be. We found also black trumpet, guys. Oh, giant black trumpet this time. Let's take it. Wow. This is good size. My goodness. Oh. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back again to Simply Biclan and Pilan channel. Go to forest na naman tayo ngayon, guys. And this time, only penny buns mushroom ang aking i-pick up kung mayroon tayong makita. Then, may nakita na tayong ano, yung black trumpet. Giant. Ang ganda. Kaya isinabay ko na rin. Yung mga chanterelles palalakihin muna natin para magandang i-picking pag malalaki sila. Dito ako sa ano, sa gilid ng lake. Dito ako iikot this time. Yung last na ano ko vlog, nasa kabilang ano yun, kabilang lake yun, sa kabilang kalsada. Kaya dito visiting ulit tayo dito. Oh no. Dalawa sana, guys. Oh, it's too old already. Oh, ayun oh. Wala. Oh, it's too soft also. Okay, it's too late again. As in sunny day ngayon, guys. Oh. Oh, beautiful forest here in Hollola. Ang daming tambo. We found, guys. Okay. It's twin. Young penny buns. Okay. Sorry. I pick it up. You both. Oh, wow, beautiful. Again, we found, guys. Oh, three. Oh my gosh. Three. Oh, it's too late. Oh my gosh. Whew. It's too late. Oh my gosh. Guys, this one is okay. I try that stem. We take it that stem. Very sorry. I try that stem, guys. Look at that. Uy. Triplets sila. Stem is good. Ay, grabe. Oh. Wow. Yes, the stem is good. Okay, let it be for bird foods. OMG, guys. Oh. We are too late again. Oh, yeah. It's a giant again. Okay. Let it be. Oh, it's too soft then. The stem also is soft. Okay. Forest decor. Giant penny buns mushroom. Talaga naman uulit na tayo ulit, guys. Oh. Super old na siya. Oh. But the stem is no, let it be. Super old na. Oh, yeah. Kailangan talaga araw-araw yung visiting sa gubat para hindi tayo malate. Ayan, late na naman tayo. Okay, let it be for forest decoration. Ang ganda. Doon na rin ako umikot sa kagubatan, guys. Kaya dito na tayo ulit sa tabi ng lake. Best luck next visiting sa kagubatan. Wala na, puro old yung natagpuan nating mga penny buns mushroom. Yung twins lang yung pinakayang talagang nakuha natin. Kaya till next time again and bye bye.